Hi everyone, I'm going to show you this look that I just did today with more light, because the other day I really wanted to film another video about these shadows because, you know, I want to do the product justice and there was no light the other day. So now it's midday, there's sunshine today, it's a nice day. So the eyeshadow that I'm wearing is Blaze by RMS. This is one of the new Eyelights. And I was really looking forward to them. I actually didn't even know that they were coming out, but then suddenly they were out and I saw them in the adverts. And to be honest, my first impression was, oh no, another metallic cream eyeshadow. Why don't they do cream eyeshadows without so much sparkle? Because the thing with the sparkle, when I saw the photos and they said long wearing, these eyeshadows set, metallic eyeshadows that set often are just, they're just dry looking, they're just patchy. I don't like the look of them. So I was kind of apprehensive. So I looked for reviews and there were no reviews online, which was very surprising because for a product that's just come out, you would imagine a huge PR campaign behind it. Anyway, couldn't find anything, so I ordered them anyway because I do love RMS. I wear all RMS. Most of what I'm wearing today is RMS. I love the feel of them, just feeling like skincare, but precisely what I like about their formulas, like what I liked about their eye polishes, was that they feel like skincare with a tint. So for that reason, they are not long wearing. In fact, you have to be messing with them, fiddling with them, because they do, you know, accumulate in areas, how things do when they're like an oil. But nevertheless, I really like them and I wear them a lot. And I wear, you know, the highlighters, all of the cream products from RMS, I wear all over my face and it's most of what I wear. So anyway, I thought, you know, let's give it a try anyway. I tried them. I think they look pretty good. They're very easy to apply, you know, just like a cream shadow. They blend fine. The color is really nice, just really wearable. So I think I am going to wear this a lot. I'm just wearing the eyeshadow and mascara. This is like a lilac taupe color. It's supposed to be a lilac, but actually once you put it on, it's more of a taupe color. Taupe, silvery color. And in terms of wear, obviously they're different than the eye polishes because this is more of like a setting style of cream shadow, similar to the ones that Laura Mercier had, also in similar metallic tubes. I don't know if anybody remembers that. That was many years ago. But it reminds me a bit of that. And again, I liked the matte ones more and they discontinued the matte ones first. Don't know why they do that. Please come with more matte eyeshadows. We want glowy, but not the metallic. How do you call that ingredient that they put on all the metallic eyeshadows? Anyway, they look good. I recommend them. I also got the color Spark, a darker brown, and I haven't tried it yet, so maybe we'll try it together. And the scrunchie that I was wearing in the video is this one. I wanted to show you because I have been looking for good quality silk scrunchies and I have a few, but the shop that I got them from stopped making them. So I was looking for a new provider and I love these ones because they have vibrant colors that have a bit of a hue to them, so they're not like primary colors. They're lovely but vibrant colors, not just neutrals. And the silk is 30 Mome, which is really good quality in terms of silk. It's like thick and you can tell. So this is what I was wearing and I wear this a lot. It's mostly what I wear when I put my hair up. There you go. So I hope you enjoy your video. A lot of people have been asking me to make more videos and I do really want to make them. It's just I've been really busy with my other, you know, enterprises. There's so many things that I want to get done, like the jewelry business projects that I'm doing, and I have a new EP that I'm producing, so I'm learning at the same time that I'm doing it, and it's just, everything takes so much time. I mean, I guess in everything in life, but I feel like in art projects, you really don't know the behind the scenes well enough. Even as the artist, you can never anticipate. So yeah, anyway, I'll let you go. Hope you like it, enjoy, and I'll see you soon. this has the biggest payoff I've ever seen. I have to be really careful. No powder, because I am gonna go out. Putting powder on, it just kind of annoys me. I don't know why, but I just feel like my skin is not gonna be able to breathe, so I avoid it as much as I can. But it does look so much better when you put on powder. So lately I am trying to. For the sake of those around me. See, it just looks, the finish looks so much better. Mascara. Actually, should I curl my lashes? Maybe I should. I don't know what to do. Let's curl them a little bit. I will just brush out whatever mascara has ended up under my eye, because it does end up under my eye no matter what I do. I have such a minuscule amount of powder in my brush, you know?